Ay, asam tabay.
Kaya ko na una ka shoot dito ka.
Asam tabay.
Ha?
Mag-chicks ta.
Ayun, yan.
Ako 30 yan.
Undang na naman akong 3 weeks ako wala na gym.
Thursday, we're off to a shoot. Sama itong shoot ano ba? Lalaki, babae.
Bye. My friend.
Your friend. Yeah.
She's a gorgeous mom.
What's her name? I forgot her name.
A gorgeous mom of 2.
Okay. So, yeah. I'll link you to his channel. Tinder channel. Oh, shit. So, we've been waiting for the client. And the model's not here. So we've been waiting for the model and she's not here. We're not really trying to look good in the camera. We're not trying to.
I'm not flexing.
We're not flexing. Oh, it's so
Just
small.
scratching my head.
Yeah. So we're just here, just
In my
yeah,
face.
staying in the road, just chilling. We're not flexing.
Wala man.
Wala.
A few moments later.
With the jeans on yet?
Do you want to change? You could get inside the car and you can change easily.
Yeah.
Miguel?
Mikael, M-I, it's a Mike with an L.
It's a nice name.
Mike Mikael, yeah. So just finished a shoot with Tia. Well, I wasn't really shooting that much, but I hope I get some shots.
It's freezing.
It's freezing, yeah. She was shaking because, yeah, she was not wearing a jacket. Okay. And Jen's in the back. Hi, bro.